Welcome back mga ka-Joy, and we are going to explore the arches of the Davao City, Chinatown.
Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World.
And we are back mga ka-Joy, and we are entering Ramon Magsaysay Avenue as we are exploring the four arches of the Davao City, Chinatown. Yes, at this area of Magsaysay Avenue, we are now seeing the Friendship Arch. Yes. The Davao City Chinatown is considered as the biggest in the world in terms of landmass. And here in this area, you are going to see four arches that will serve as landmarks for this area. We have seen the first arch, which is the Friendship Arch, and we are going towards the second arch. Yes. And so you are currently seeing a lot of commercial buildings around our Magsaysay Avenue. There are banks, some insurance companies, some hardwares, and others. Actually, in this area, there are also a lot of government facilities or government institutions, such as the DPWH at your right side. And then we do also have a lot more of establishments on the left. But another new building, the Bureau of Quarantine. Also within the block is the BFAR, or the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources of Region 11. Also the DSWD. Still at the right side is the Santa Ana Elementary School, and at its back is the Santa Ana National High School. And so we are going straight forward, and we are going to see more establishments. And there are a lot of establishments here that were here already more than 50 years ago, because this is one of the central business districts of the city. And at your left, you are seeing the Feltries. So there's a bit of a traffic, and let's just move forward. You can really see a lot of commercial establishments in here, and at your left side you are seeing the NCCC Magsaysay or Uyanguren, because this area is previously or formerly known as Uyanguren. And this NCCC branch is the first amongst the NCCC malls. You're also seeing a lot of old buildings in here and just being newly painted. And there at the far front, you are seeing the second arch amongst the four arches of the Davao City Chinatown. And you are seeing here DCLA, yes. And it has a lot of buildings where they are selling. And it's like the Divisoria of Davao. That's already the Unity Arch of the four arches of the Davao City Chinatown, and it is the biggest arch. Yes, but we had the traffic, so we had a pause, and now let's continue with our road trip. Yes, that's the Unity Arch. And now you're seeing the Magsaysay Fruit Vendors Association, and inside is the Magsaysay Park. And we are currently at Leon Garcia Street. Now you're seeing at the left the Santa Ana Health Center and the Bureau of Fire of Region 11. So we are also here at the Carpenter area right now, and we are going to see the other end of the next destination amongst the 4 arches of the Davao City, Chinatown. And that's gonna be from the Avenue of Santa Ana. Yes, at this intersection. We are entering Santa Ana Avenue and we are seeing the Peace Arch. And at the both sides, you are seeing the Davao Chonghua High School. And there you go, we are just going straight. And this is already still part of the Davao City Chinatown. And we are at the back of the Gaisano Mall of Davao. Plus, going up at the right is the Pinnacle Hotel. So here we are having a better road trip. We are seeing the Holy Cross of Davao College at the left. And there you go, the McDonald's and sweets at the right. Plus, at your left is the Santa Ana Shrine. And we are just going straight forward. Even though that the weather is not that fair, but we are having a great day for this road trip. Not much of vehicles around. So you are seeing here a clean road of Santa Ana Avenue without much of vehicles around. So we are now passing the Salas Street, wherein you can pass by 2 times, and it's still along Santa Ana Avenue, and we're just proceeding to the end of this avenue so that we can see the 4th arch amongst the 4 arches of the Davao City Chinatown. And in this area, you are still seeing a lot of commercial buildings, and these are warehouses, and a lot of trucks were here during the day on a weekday. So you are seeing the homitory, and it's a dormital in which it accommodates a lot of visitors before. And we are about to end our road trip, and you are now seeing the last arch among the 4 arches, and there you go, we have the Prosperity Arch. And there you go mga ka-Joy, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye!